Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and add the Hibernate option to the power menu in Windows 11. Sometimes the Hibernate option disappears from the Start Power menu, but you can easily bring it back with a few simple steps. First, click on the search icon on the taskbar and type CMD. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes. Now, in the command prompt window, type the following command: powercfg/hibernate on, then press Enter. This command enables the Hibernate feature in Windows. After that, restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, right-click the Start button and select Run. In the Run box, type powercfg.cpl, then press Enter to open Power Options. On the left side, click Choose what the power buttons do. Next, click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Check the box for Hibernate. Finally, click Save Changes. Now click the Start menu, select Power, and you should see the Hibernate option available. And that's how you fix the problem when Hibernate is missing from the Power menu in Windows 11. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.